How to redeem Buffalo Wild Wings point. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Let's begin starting this video. You can redeem Buffalo Wild Wings reward point on this. Open up on your web browser and head over the Buffalo Wild Wings. On your over here you can redeem your point and special offers and coupon special offers and select restaurant and reward detail are shown together with coupon barcode. Ask the restaurant crew scan coupon and the barcode. Upon successfully scanning the coupon, offer will be applied to your total bill. And if it is for delivery pickup, if you want to select offer, click to redeem reward option, then select restaurant and you are redeeming reward detail are shown together with the coupon code. Upon successfully validation, promo code is applied to your total bill. And that's this video, guys. If this video helpful for you, then comment, like, share this video for more content. Thanks again for watching.